everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted a long vlog or even shorts. I've been kind of like putting them in here and there. As you can hear, I am under the weather. I've been trying to shake this cold. You know, when your kids get sick, you eventually get sick, and that's kind of what happened. It sounds like I've been partying and I lost my voice, but I'm under the weather. I hope I don't have COVID. I have not tested. I told myself I was going to test for COVID, but when I went in my linen closet, I noticed that those tests were expired. So I was like, okay, I got to make my way to there, but I've been sweating. I'm just like, I'm sweating for a reason, right? So anyways, I was like, let me just get to this video. I've been putting this off for like over a week now, and I've been wanting to get back into those vlogs. But first I want to say is I'm in a training class for my current job. It's not like a new job. It's just like a different, like we're learning different things about insurance for the upcoming year of 2025. And it's been draining me. It's from like 8 a.m. to 4:30. My daughter goes to school. Of course, she's in school, and she goes to dance practice Sunday, Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And then on, excuse me, and on, what is it? Wednesday, what's it? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm getting confused. She's in the STEM program when she's staying at the school. So it's like constant busy. And Ashley, my 3-year-old, was out of daycare all last week. And it just seemed like it's been a lot going on. But while he's taking a nap and it's almost time for him to wake up from his nap, I was like, let me get this vlog out the way. And that way, all I got to do later on today is edit. So I'm just rambling, y'all. Let's get into what this video is really about. Today, I'm super excited because we're unboxing some fabulous pieces that are going to elevate my style game. It's a burgundy Teflar bag and matching burgundy dunks. Let's dive into this. All right, let's see what we got here. First up is the Teflar bag. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. Teflar is known for their sleek designs and high quality materials. I love the packaging so far. Of course, this is their signature design to let you know it is Telfar. And if you are a bag owner, you know how this comes. I love this little material bag that it's in to protect it. So let's get into this, y'all. Oh my gosh, I don't expose that it is burgundy. As you can, well, I've been saying that it was burgundy, but anyways. Let's pull this out. Wow, this burgundy color is absolutely stunning. It's the perfect shade for the fall. You can see the signature Telfar logo, such a statement for the piece. Just want to show you all the angles. I did get the medium size, like they have small, medium, then large. If you're a Telfar owner, tell me in the comments, let me know, because don't you feel like it should be like a size between the small and the medium, like a medium? Because sometimes I feel like the medium is kind of big and I feel like the large is too large. So I'm like, let me just keep it at this size. It does fit like a laptop, so that I feel like that is really good as well. So let's see, we're also going to try to see what the interior looks like. I wanted to show y'all this. So it's like not like a little cheap little plastic. I was like, do I need to cut this out? But I'm glad I kept looking around and I see the Velcro strap for the strap. I'm like, okay, Telfar. I know most people be like, oh, it's a shopper's bag. But if it's a black owned, best to believe Sephora will be buying. And I've done a lot of research on here, so hold on, guys. I'm gonna get into this interior. Oh my gosh, I'm over here admiring it before I show it to y'all. Okay, hold on. Okay. All right, hold on. Look. Okay, y'all, so I got the classic tote silhouette with a nice spacious interior. Take a look on the inside. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all. It's very nice. The lining is so soft, and there's definitely enough room for all of my essentials. Again, I can put my what is this, like a 13-inch MacBook in here. I'm sure I can. If I have it, I'm gonna go get it just to kind of show it. But I know that that can fit up in this bag. The lining is, like I said, so soft. It's definitely enough room for me to put a lot of like go-to stuff in here, like my chapstick, lip gloss, lotion, pens, just whatever I need. Like, I don't know, it's a perfect size because I've always been the person that thought that the medium would be too big. Because I was so used to like a medium with the Marc Jacobs bag. But it's not that bad. I always thought it would be too big. I'm curious to know what the small size look like. I saw a couple of reviews on the large, and I don't think I would ever need that so far. But you never know. So never say never. So yeah, but this is gonna be my go-to bag for the fall, y'all. Like Thanksgiving, y'all will be seeing me in this. I don't know, because I kind of want to also get like the green color as well, because me and my family plan on wearing like that jungle green as well for Thanksgiving. We're all trying to color coordinate, not match, but color coordinate. And like I said, I have some matching dunks with it. I have already opened those dunks box, so I'm not even about to do an unboxing on that, but let's just see how well it match up since I just now opening up this Telfar bag. I don't know how well this may match up. So this is a shoe. Oh, it's not bad. You know, it's not bad. Okay, it's not like as burgundy as I would want it to be with the shoes. More, I don't know, I like it. You know, I don't expect it to be the exact same colors. It's like the white gives it like a little nice contrast against the burgundy. So it does kind of go well with the Teflar bag. And you know, this is a different type of leather than the shoe, so I don't expect it to match perfectly, but it's nice. Like, it's gonna be a nice blend. Like, if you put it together, it's gonna look nice. Like, to me, this combo is gonna make such a statement. I can already picture the outfits I'll put together. Casual yet chic, perfect for like any type of outing. And like I said, Thanksgiving, again, I may wear like a jungle green, I don't know, but to me it's gonna go for like any type of occasion. So we will see, y'all. Oh my gosh, I just love my bag. Y'all don't understand how long I waited, because I was waiting on the denim one. But anyways, I was like, it's fall, it's time to welcome in fall fashion, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So again, y'all, here are my dunks. Here are my Teflar bag. I just cannot wait to put it together. Y'all let me know in the comments how I should style it, y'all. It's for Thanksgiving. If I don't wear like a jungle green with my kids, how should I style this for Thanksgiving? And I live in Georgia, so just be kind of mindful of like potential weather. And I plan on wearing like a half up, half down hairstyle, if not a ponytail. I'm trying to keep it really, really simple for Thanksgiving. So you let me know. I know most people are like, oh, you're not going to dress up. We're going to be in the living room getting fat and eat. Okay, I'm just trying to be cute and comfortable. And plus, I don't wear heels anyways. I would probably wear Ugg boots, but even if y'all feel like I should wear my Ugg boots with this, okay? Even though Telfar has a Ugg combo, just let me know. I don't know. So, oh my gosh, y'all. I'm going to take some pictures of these just to like kind of like add in at the end of the video or whatever. Like I said, it's not too bad, but you can see close up, it is burgundy. This is burgundy, but these are two different types of leather, so it's not brown. Just in case if you're wondering, like, oh, is that brown? No, it is burgundy. So this is my little fall treat to myself, because you know how these kids get this full wardrobe. So anyways, I don't want to look like no housewife right now. So that's another story that I just keep showing my bag. I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. If you're looking to add some fresh pieces to your wardrobe, definitely check out the Teflar and these dunks. Let me know in the comments what you think of this combo and how you would style them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for fashion unboxings. I don't know how much I will do this. I'm not no fashion designer. I don't know. I just be trying to do my best, but I'm not no fashion designer though. But see y'all next time. Again, I don't want to just keep it on this bag. See y'all next time. Thank y'all for watching. Oh, I can't wait, y'all. I'm so happy. Bye.